going on, guys? Today we're gonna get out on the river with the fly rod. What's up, guys? We're gonna get out here on the river today. We're kind of sneaking up on already a pretty decent hole. The snow's so deep, I've got to kind of be careful here to get down to the river. Well, that was a quick way to do it. So yeah, I think we're gonna start right here. This could be interesting. It's been a while since I have fly fished. So, probably gonna catch a lot of trees today. And I don't know how many fish we're gonna catch. But hey, we're out here, we're getting after it, we're trying. Well, I tried that spot. Like you said, it has been a while, so I got a lot of line slap on the water, and it's gonna take me a little bit, but we'll get it figured out again. It's a really good hole. I'm kind of surprised we didn't at least get a bite out of here. Oh, there they go. Ooh. That was cold. That was cold on my fingers. Oh, there we go. We're on. Oh, get out of there. Oh, he's gonna come right to me. Come on. Wow. Oh, yes. We are on. Nice. Oh, can you guys see that? What a very pretty fish. Alright, let's get him unhooked. Oh, he was barely hooked. There we go. Get that out of there. Holy moly. Now that's a pretty fish. You see him? Still swimming away. Wow. Golly, yes. And that, guys, is the reason I love fly fishing. Like I said, I'm not very good at it. I definitely have not put in the time or the practice or any of that to be good at it. But when it happens, that is awesome. There he went. Oh, that's a good time. That was a very pretty fish too. Holy cow. Let's see if I can get maybe another one out of there. That right there is worth all the frustration of catching every tree and bush and everything else. That makes it all worth it. Oh, I don't find fish on the bank. You know what the hardest part about fishing is it always happens when you're not paying attention. I definitely was not paying attention on that fish. So I don't remember what I was doing. If I was stripping slow or fast or what the heck I was doing. So now I gotta try to remember or continue to try different things until I figure out what I was doing. Oh, no, just a stick. All right, let's walk up there. I don't think that one's gonna come off without some persuasion. Oh, you can hear the ice breaking underneath the feet. All right. Oh yeah, it undercuts that bank a little bit. That was perfect. Awesome. Oh, some silky stuff through here. All right, look it up there. We're gonna go try to get a good cast or two in on that one. I'm gonna try to stay behind this log a little bit. Hope you guys can see kind of what we got going on here. Start right up there at headwater. Oh, had a bubble. There's one following it. I think it's still following it. He never touched it though, so I'm gonna get back up in there. There he is. He's not very big. Nice. Nice. Holy cow. Let's check this guy out real quick. Perfectly hooked right in the corner. Nice and easy to get off. Look at these beautiful fish. Holy moly. They are so pretty. Wow. Yeah, let's get him back. I'm just gonna try to slip him right over this log. I don't fall in first. Gosh dang it. Nice. Very nice. That was awesome. I was hoping to catch at least one thing out of there. And that hole looks, oh dang it. That hole looks really good not to catch something. Alright, now that I'm all covered in snow, that was good. That was really good. Okay. Break all this darn ice off of the eyelets. That, like I said, catching fish on a fly rod makes all this worth it. Still frustrating, I'm not gonna lie to you. Breaking all this ice off and my fingers are cold, everything's cold. Catching every tree there is. It's still frustrating. And you know what? I'm gonna keep casting in this hole just for a minute. That was crazy. Like I said, right before that, something was chasing it and trying to hit it pretty hard. And all of a sudden, and then I threw back in there and that one finally got it. So all I'm trying to do is, oh, we had one bubble on it. or boil on it, or whatever the terminology is for it. Let's get it up there again, see if we can't get it to do it again. Oh, my fingers are getting cold. Uh-oh. Bush across the stream. Dang it. Might get into this one. Darn it, they're still fishing here. I really don't want to scare them away. I have to blow out this hole. Dang it, I really don't want to. That's a good... I really think we could have got at least another one or two out of here. Dang it. Alright. Let's keep going, because I only have one of those flies as well, and they seem to be digging it. These small little streams, they're fun to fish. I really like fishing them. Frustrating, for sure. But really, oh yes, we're on again. Oh no, he came off. It's just a little guy. That's all right. Oh, darn it. I did not keep enough tension on that. Let's get this ice broke off again. Check that out. I said I need to get me some gloves or something. My fingers are freezing. Doesn't help you're flicking all that water around and stuff, you know. That one was tiny, but he was looking for a meal for sure. There we go. I did not think that was on. I really thought I just had a snag. Oh, so true. Oh goodness. Let's get us up out of here. They are aggressive little buggers. Perfect little hook set right there. Oh. Get him unhooked. There we go. Another one. Look at that big old fin. Wow. Okay, let's get him back. I'm just gonna let him go right here. There he goes. Oh. What a good time. I wasn't too sure if we were going to catch one out of there where I kept screwing it up. I kept pulling it out before they would eat. That guy was hungry enough, so. Well guys, sorry to end it so quick. I left the batteries in the car and the battery died. So that sucks. Hopefully you guys got to see that last at least one fish I caught, maybe two. I'm hoping. So, thank you guys for checking out Uint Outdoors. We really, really appreciate it. It's a blast making these videos, and I really, really am excited to be back. So, share with your friends. If you like this kind of content, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, thanks for checking out Uint Outdoors. See you on the next one.